I would say there are three common issues that we discuss with treasurers. The first is how to deploy increasing balance sheet liquidity, declining yields in Europe, re-regulation of the money fund industry, sovereign risk, currency volatility all pose real challenges for treasurers. As I said, particularly as they have had large growth in the amount of cash on their balance sheets. So helping them think through tactically how to deploy cash in a prudent way from a risk governance perspective, but also to try to generate yield on liquidity is a core subject. A second topic that we spend a lot of time discussing with treasurers is how to manage the supply chain, both from a counterparty risk perspective, but also strategically. Thinking about the health of their key distributors, thinking about the health of their key suppliers, and what sort of programs can they work with banks to put in place to enhance the long-term viability of those partners that they have. I would say that the third element of risk that we have seen surface really in the last 60 days is just a dramatic rise in volatility in markets. We've been in a period now for the better part of 3 years with very little volatility in markets. I think it's forced treasurers to begin to reassess some of the core principles that they have in terms of governing various elements of risk across commodity prices, currency, and rates. And we're absolutely focused on helping them think through whether or not the policies that they have in place around managing risk across those various areas of their business are appropriate or should be revisited.